Hi everyone, welcome to my new channel. Today I'm excited to share the beginning of my prop trading journey with you. Before I dive in, I named it Day Zero because I think it's essential to have a solid plan in place, and I'm here to break it down why it matters for me and then a little overview of the future steps I'm going to take to hopefully be successful in my prop trading journey. And overall, I hope you like the video. The first thing is, it's so critical to have a plan when starting a futures prop challenge, because like in trading, you need a plan when to make a trade, where to set your stop loss, where to take profit, and so on. And for me, it's critical to have a clear plan to provide me some structure and helps to set realistic expectations. And also it can keep the emotions in check a little bit and give me some short-term, long-term goals with small and big targets. And then I'm able to check my goals, my targets, and to analyze what was positive, what was negative, and so on. Also, if you jump in without any plan, you waste your money, because you need to know what company to choose, you need to know what instruments to trade, and so on. And just for a small history about my prop trading, I chose to open an account with Apex a couple of months ago before I was aware how the whole system worked. I wasn't aware how the intraday trailing drawdown worked, so my confusion was very big when I was stopped out and the evil was failed on the second day. And so you need to have a plan in place. Here I have a small overview of a couple of companies. For me, as I said, as a plan, I need to know what I want to trade. I want to trade the futures, which instruments I want to trade, what rules are in place. Especially if you look through the prop trading companies, there are a lot of small details. Is it I'm able to trade the news? What's the consistency rule? How are the payout rules? And you need to know them beforehand. You need to implement them in your trading plan. And for me, I also want to know who is the big player on the market, and as a goal, how many accounts will I strive for, and am I able to copy trade, and so on and so forth. As I said, only a couple of companies, the big two, Apex Trader Funding, Topstep, and smaller ones, but in my research, very, very interesting companies like Tradeify and uprofit. Uprofit is very interesting, also regarding your trading style, because uprofit has accounts with a static drawdown, and I think that's one of only a few companies on the market. Apex, like I said, has the intraday trading drawdown, and Topstep is a company who's on the market I don't know how many years. Also, for every project I undertake, I like to have a proof of concept. So as I said, as a short-term goal, I want to see if it's possible for me. Am I a winning trader? Do I know how to use the propfirms, how the rules work? Am I able to go to payout? Am I able to scale up, and so forth? And so that's the first step for me in my prop trading journey. Afterwards, the scaling, especially with trading, that's one of the most important points for me, is nearly limitless. And just a overview, I will start my journey with uprofit and blusky. The main two things about uprofit and blusky is, on uprofit you have static drawdown, as I said, very easy rules, nearly zero rules. Payout rules are similar to topstep, and no consistency rule in place. So for me, I acquired the uprofit eval. With the first eval account, if I go to payout, I will max out my uprofit account number. And on parallel, I also use blusky. Blusky has the payout policy that after the first payout you are able to have daily payouts. And so also this is my second step or parallel step for having prop accounts. And afterwards I like to scale up with topstep, Tradeify, or if the prop trading market changes, I will also try to make a video and go into depth why I choose the companies. Maybe one thing to add, blusky is one of a few companies who also let you trade the European stock market, the EUREX, so the fdax, the stocks, and so on. And Tradeify also has added this in the last couple of weeks. So for traders in different time zones, like I'm from Europe, it's easier to have a prop trading company where I'm able to trade the big moves from the DAX market. And then, as I said, the same steps, you can repeat them as often as you like. Also, it's important to have a goal, how many accounts you like to trade, how many accounts you like to have in reserve. And maybe the money is just a dollar amount, it's just a number, but you should have some accountability for yourself. Use just a defined dollar amount for the whole challenge to start it up. If you are able to get payouts, if you're able to have big wins, then try to, or in my opinion, it's important, try to set aside a couple of percent for personal fun, for something you don't need but like to have, and then the rest should go into long-term investment and also trying to build up a personal futures trading account, because nobody knows what's going to happen with the prop trading space. Right now it's wonderful to have the possibility to trade with prop trading money, but you never know, and you always need to have a plan B. Lastly, why bring this journey to YouTube? The main answer for me is accountability and the community. I will try to have it like a trading journal, to have personal accountability by documenting my progress. I'm more likely to stay disciplined and stick to my plan. Also, when you are making a YouTube video, you need to think about the problems, you need to search the internet for information, you need to copy informations together and so on. And lastly, I hope you subscribe to my channel. I hope you leave a comment. And if you sit alone in your office and trade, it gets lonely and you will be in a little bubble. You need the community, you need comments from, and also you need to have people to say that's wrong, or you can do it in another way, or you also, I like to have some positive requirement. Everything plays together, and so I thought it's a good idea to have a YouTube channel, and hopefully I will have it a long time, and my prop trading journey is a positive one. And so I leave you there. Thanks for watching, everyone, and this is just the start with my first video in my prop trading journey. And I hope you like, subscribe, and every comment I will read and answer. Until next time, trade smart and stay focused.